welcome to MoFitMeals. Today I'm going to make something savory, appetizer-ish, and delicious. I'm going to make cauliflower egg bites with capers, fennel seeds, and garlic. Let's do this. So for our cauliflower egg bites, here's what you're going to need. 24 count mini tin cupcake pan. I'm using this just so I can get appetizer sized portions. You're going to need a bowl to put it all in. Riced cauliflower. I buy this at Trader Joe's. It's a 16-ounce package. I'm only going to use 8 ounces. I like to get this riced already so that it makes my life easier and not have to cut up the whole cauliflower. You can do that, but I prefer going this route. So, riced cauliflower, peeled garlic. I'm going to probably use 2. I do love garlic. 2 cloves, minced, capers, fennel seeds, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. These 2 work hand in hand. When you combine them, they actually help inflammation. There's a lot of benefits for turmeric alone, but these 2 work together and it adds a little spice too. Xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a fiber. It's gluten-free. It's used for recipes that need thickening, baking soda, and baking powder for some leavening. Salt. Half a container of liquid egg whites. Okay, so I'm gonna measure out my 8 ounces. Here. There's my garlic, teaspoon of xanthan gum, maybe half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of fennel seed, do a couple shakes of cayenne pepper. It's really to your liking. I do like heat. Teaspoon of baking powder, of baking soda, 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. Liquid egg whites. It's 230 grams, 2 teaspoons of capers. I'm going to mix it all together. You can add cheese if you like. By all means, go for it. And then I'm going to leave it just like this, let it get thickened a little bit. Now I'm going to get my ice cream scooper, my mini one. Now I'm going to fill all these up. And they'll be evenly distributed with my ice cream scooper. That was perfect. I actually measured this to fit all 24 just perfectly. I'm gonna put this in the oven, let it bake probably for about 10 minutes or so. I gotta keep an eye on it, but I'll let you know what it looks like and the end result. I just pulled them out, but they're nice and steamy. The house smells amazing. You guys have to try this. I'm gonna dish them up. I'll show you what they look like. And here they are, all 24. If you ate the whole thing, it's only 195 calories and only 6 net carbs. I'll tally it all up for you and share, but I nibble this throughout the whole day and I feel like I'm choosing something healthy because the cauliflower blends in well with all the flavors, and then you have little muffins. I like them cold, I like them hot. You can serve them any way you like. My mouth is watering, I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed something new. Comment below, let me know any ideas and suggestions. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. And remember, stay MoFit.